If you're seeing a Lucidchart unexpected error, don't worry, because in most cases this is caused by browser cache issues, extension conflicts, or a network restriction. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing your diagrams without the frustration. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the first and often most important test. Open Lucidchart in an Incognito window if you're using Chrome, or a private browsing window if you're using Safari, Firefox, or Edge. The reason we start here is simple. Private mode disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browsing session. So sign into Lucidchart and try opening the document that's giving you the error. If the file opens normally in private mode, that's a strong sign the problem is not Lucidchart itself, but something in your regular browser profile. At that point, you'll want to move on to extensions and cache. Now let's check browser extensions. In your normal browser, open the Extensions or Add-ons Manager. Look for anything that could interfere with website scripts or loading behavior. Common culprits are ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, script blockers, and anything that filters web traffic. Temporarily disable those extensions one by one, then go back to Lucidchart and refresh the page. If the error disappears after turning off one extension, you've found the cause. Keep that extension disabled for Lucidchart, or add Lucidchart to its allow list if the tool offers one. If you're still seeing the unexpected error, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, cached files and stored site data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can break how Lucidchart loads. Open your browser settings or history menu, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Set the time range to all times so you remove everything related to the issue. After that, click Clear Data, fully close your browser, open it again, sign back into Lucidchart, and test the document once more. This step fixes a lot of unexpected error messages because it forces the browser to load fresh files instead of old broken ones. If the issue still hasn't gone away, check your network connection next. In some workplaces or school environments, firewalls and network filters can block Lucidchart services or stop certain resources from loading correctly. If you're on a VPN or proxy, turn it off and refresh Lucidchart. Then try the site again on your regular connection. If you're on a corporate network and Lucidchart works on a different connection like mobile data or a home network, then the issue may be caused by your organization's restrictions rather than your browser. The final step is to test a different browser or update the one you're already using. Lucidchart tends to work best in the latest version of Google Chrome, so if you're using another browser, try opening the same document in Chrome first. If Chrome works, the issue may be browser specific. If you already use Chrome, make sure it's fully updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers can cause compatibility problems, especially with web apps that rely on newer features. So to recap, start by testing Lucidchart in Incognito or private mode, then disable extensions, clear cache and cookies. Check your VPN or network, and finally try another browser or update your current one. In most cases, one of those steps will fix the Lucidchart unexpected error quickly. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.